Okay friends, welcome. In the previous video I talked to you about how I'm about to take trade on USDJPY if I see a signal, a buy signal. Why? Because we are currently on an uptrend on the 1 hour time frame. So we just got a buy signal here on the 1 hour time, on the 1 hour time frame. So what I want to do right now is go ahead to my MT4 and then go over to USDJPY charts and take that trade as a buy trade on my accounts. This is a $100 account, so I'm going to reduce the lot size to 0.01 and then take a buy trade. Now the reason why I'm activating a buy trade, even though as we can see on the charts the market is currently below the 200 moving average on the 4 hours time frame, is the reason why I'm going in on a buy is because I see that price may be trying to break this 200 moving average so that it becomes an uptrend on the 4 hours time frame. And we can see that the daily time frame is giving us a strong buy candle, strong bullish candle. So that's the reason why I'm activating the buy trade right now on the USDJPY, okay, based on the 1 hour time frame, So I've just activated the buy trade right now, and we are currently on that trade. Okay, so the other market, this is still Monday. The other pairs like Euro USD, I still don't have a clear signal for entry, though we're having a sell signal right now. As we can see, a sell signal on Euro USD. Let's check the 4 hours. The 4 hours is, the market is a buy trend. Okay, market is a buy trend, and the daily time frame, market is selling right now. So going back to the 1 hour time frame, we can decide to activate a sell trade because this is a sell candle below the 200 moving average. So let's go ahead and activate a sell trade. But we get to put the stop loss for each of those trade. So I'm going to activate a sell trade here. Now for the Euro USD, where will be my stop loss? My stop loss will be somewhere around there. Okay, somewhere around there, above the last swing high. So this is the last swing high, so this is the stop loss. So I'm going to get the settings. That's the price for the stop loss. The price for the stop loss is would be SL would be 1.108640, and my take profit level, if this is my SL, okay, take profit, this is the software is giving me this take profit right now, that will be about 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. But I would like to go more than that if trade is going to go our way. So I would like to go in for if I should use this as my take profit, then we are doing risk to 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Is there any other possible position? The next point is somewhere around here. That's too far right now for us. Let's just go in with this. So let's put that as let's put that here. That is about let's get the settings for that. That is 1.07995. So I'm going to modify that trade, and that is it. So the one for the USDJPY, I'm going to show you how you can use a tight stop loss if you want to use a tight stop loss. Okay, let's go to USDJPY. I'm going to show you how you can use a tight stop loss. Okay, so for USDJPY, this is the 1 hour time frame, and we just got a buy signal. So what should be our stop loss? Our stop loss should be below the last swing high. This is the last swing, below the last swing low. This is the last swing low. So I put my stop loss here, and then the price there is 149.468. But then if I want to use how do I call it? First of all, let's take the stop, the take profit. If I put the take profit here, that's 1 to 1. Here is way more than 1 to 1. That's 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Okay, that's 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio, but that's too far right now for us based on this live trading. So let's use 150, 150.134. okay, so right here is where we are using for SL. But if we want to use a tighter SL, you want to break down your charts to 15 minutes time frame. And when you break down your chart to 15 minutes time frame, what you want to be looking for is a low, a swing low that is lower than this. That is to say, right now we're not getting it. So if, let's say, the price should fall all the way from this point down somewhere here and start going up like this, then we want to use this level as our stop loss, and we enter the trade from anywhere from around this point. Okay, or if we're currently on this stop loss and then we experience the price pull down to somewhere around this level and bounce up. While it's bouncing up, it has created a new low. Then we can adjust our SL to that new low. Okay, so let's modify this SL right now. So that is it. So right now we are currently on 2 trade. Okay, let's check GBP USD. I just want us to take some trade right now. GBP USD, we're going to be trading on this account for all 5 days, so we're going to see we are going to grow these accounts. GBP USD, if there's an opportunity. So on the GBP USD, on the 1 hour time frame, there's no opportunity right now, so we got to ignore the trade. So right now we are currently just on these 2 particular trade. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.
Courage. Without it, you can't navigate the Forex market successfully. Every profitable trade requires at least one moment of courage. If you aren't willing to take calculated risks, you'll lose the chance to reap rewards. If you don't have the courage to face market volatility, you'll never overcome your trading fears. It takes courage to develop your unique trading strategy in a market where everyone has an opinion. It takes courage to stand by your trading plan when others doubt you. It takes courage to go against the crowd, to take contrarian trades, and to trust your analysis. It takes courage to get back into the market after a loss, to keep going when your account is dwindling. It takes courage to have faith in your trading abilities, even when the markets seem unpredictable. It takes courage to adapt to changing market conditions, to pivot when necessary. You must have the courage to say, "I will keep trading," and to mean it. You must dig deep and find that courage, because it's the only way to achieve long-term success in Forex. If you don't have the courage to take calculated risks, you'll never reach your full trading potential. Everything worthwhile in Forex trading requires courage. It takes courage to trade with integrity, to stay true to your strategy, and to avoid impulsive decisions. It takes courage to be honest with yourself, to acknowledge your mistakes, and to learn from them. It takes courage to think for yourself, to trust your analysis, and to avoid following the herd. You have a unique trading perspective. Be brave enough to use it. As Nelson Mandela once said, "Courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it." That's what courage is in Forex trading. Moving forward despite the fears, despite the possibility of loss, and even in the face of adversity. Giving your all, always. Being true to yourself, your strategy, and your trading goals. That's what it means to have courage in Forex trading. Do you have the courage to succeed in Forex? In the world of Forex trading, success isn't reserved for the biggest account balances or the fastest scalpers. It's reserved for those with the mentality of a lion, fearless, relentless, and unshakable. The greatest fear in the world is the opinion of others. As a trader, the moment you stop fearing the chart, stop following the noise of analysts and doubters, you become unstoppable. No longer a sheep blindly following signals or trends. You become the lion. A great roar arises in your heart, the roar of freedom. Sheep in the market? They panic at every drawdown, jump from one strategy to another, and let fear dictate their trades. But lions lead. Lions own their decisions. A lion doesn't wait for handouts. A lion hunts. They dominate the jungle not because they're the biggest, fastest, or strongest, but because they possess the mentality of a king. These are the lion mentality in trading. Fearless courage. The market is a jungle filled with predators, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. You'll face losing streaks, unexpected reversals, and news that shakes your confidence. But the lion doesn't flinch, even when surrounded by hyenas. Every loss, every setback, every challenge is a step closer to mastery. When you want to quit, don't. When you doubt your plan, trust yourself. You may not have guarantees of success, but quitting guarantees failure. Stay in the hunt. Your big win might be one trade away. Unbreakable certainty. When a lion attacks, it commits. There's no hesitation, no half-hearted effort. In trading, your success depends on your certainty. Certainty in your strategy. Certainty in your risk management. Certainty in yourself. Trust your analysis. Trust your preparation. And when you hit that buy or sell button, do it with conviction. Freedom. The lion demands freedom. That's what trading is about. Freedom from a 9-to-5 grind. Freedom to live life on your terms. But freedom isn't handed out. It's earned through discipline, perseverance, and sacrifice. Fight for it. Protect it. Refuse to let fear, doubt, or external opinions cage your financial dreams. Competence and focus. Lions sleep up to 20 hours a day, yet they never go hungry. Why? Because when they hunt, they're 100% focused, 100% effective. As a trader, you don't need to be glued to your screen 24/7. You need to maximize the quality of your trades, not the quantity. Work smarter, not harder. Develop laser focus on high probability setups. Execute with precision. Master your craft. Be the lion of the Forex jungle. In the market, there's no room for hesitation, fear, or mediocrity. Embrace the lion mentality. Fearless in the face of drawdowns, but with the proper risk management. Relentless in pursuit of your goals. Certain in your abilities and strategies. Focused on adding value to your future self. Remember, the jungle rewards the lion who hunts with heart, focus, and unwavering determination. You are the lion. This is your jungle. Now go and claim your crown. Roar into action. Trade with courage. Dominate the market. Disappear for a year. Commit to the grind. Cut out the noise. Focus your mind. The charts don't lie. They're your battlefield. Every candle, every pip, your destiny revealed. The world outside won't understand why you skip the parties, why you ignore their plans. But Forex isn't a game. It's a war of precision, and only the disciplined see their vision. Disappear for a year. Transform your trades. Turn losses into lessons. Watch the profits cascade. The market rewards the bold who persevere. When you disappear for a year, success will appear. Sacrifice the distractions, the easy way out. Sacrifice the shortcuts. Erase the doubt. Backtest your strategy. Master the skill. The market won't wait for your will to fulfill. Wake up early, catch the London Open, study the trends, keep your mindset unbroken. They'll call you obsessed, say it's just a dream, but you're crafting a future they've never seen. Disappear for a year. Transform your trades. Turn losses into lessons. Watch the profits cascade. The market rewards the bold who persevere. When you disappear for a year, success will appear. A year of focus, discipline, and grind will align your trades and sharpen your mind. The drawdowns are lessons. The failures refine. With every session, you're crossing the line. They'll question your journey. They'll doubt your goals. But only the fearless can master their roles. In the silence of effort, you build your empire. Each pip, each trade fuels your fire. Disappear for a year. Transform your life. Turn fear into courage. Turn struggle into might. The charts don't lie. Success is near. When you disappear for a year, your moment is here. Disappear for a year and return a king, with a strategy sharp and profits to bring. No excuses, no shortcuts, just relentless grind. The Forex world will see what you've left behind. Your account will grow, your confidence will soar. You'll be the trader they can't ignore. Disappear for a year and you'll come back strong, with the discipline of a lion, where you belong. They said you couldn't trade, that you'd blow your account. Prove them wrong. They mocked your ambition, said you'd never figure it out. Prove them wrong. But they don't see the hours you spend on the charts. Show them what you're made of. The nights you've stayed up, perfecting your art. Let them doubt. Let them laugh. Let them talk all day. Because every word they throw at you will fuel your payday. It will shock them. Prove them wrong. Show them you're a beast. Turn those losses into lessons and feast on the feast. Every pip you claim, every trade you make, brings you closer to the life you'll create. Shock them with your result. Prove them wrong. Let the charts light the fire. Turn the skepticism into your burning desire. Stay sharp, trade smart, and show them today. Show them what you're made of. You're the trader who'll rise, come what may. They don't see your journals, your endless reviews. They don't know the patience it takes to refuse. Refuse to gamble, to chase, to stray. They only see the losses and think you'll walk away. Prove them wrong. But behind every candle is a story you've read. Behind every loss is a lesson you've bled. You've studied the patterns, you've mastered the flow. They can doubt all they want, but your account will show. We'll show them what you're made of. Prove them wrong. Show them you're a beast. Turn those losses into lessons and feast on the feast. Every pip you claim, every trade you make, brings you closer to the life you'll create. Shock them with your result. Prove them wrong. Let the charts light the fire. Turn the skepticism into your burning desire. Stay sharp, trade smart, and show them today. You're the trader who'll rise. Come what may, show them what you're made of. There's a moment in every trader's journey where doubt fades, when consistency builds and the profits cascade. You've embraced the drawdowns. You've survived the storm. Now the markets respect your refined trading form. They said you couldn't read the market's rhyme, but now you're hitting targets every time. You've turned the corner, you've played it strong. Now it's time to show them they were wrong. Show them what you're made of. Prove them wrong, show them you're a beast. Turn those losses into lessons and feast on the feast. Every pip you claim, every trade you make, brings you closer to the life you'll create. Shock them with your result. Prove them wrong. Let the charts light the fire. Turn the skepticism into your burning desire. Stay sharp, trade smart, and show them today. You're the trader who'll rise come what may. Show them what you're made of. The drawdowns are over. The breakthrough is here. You've proven them wrong. Your success is clear. This is your anthem, your victory song for every doubter who thought you'd be gone. Prove them wrong and let the world see what happens when a trader fights to be free. Stay sharp, trade strong. You've made it through. In the Forex jungle, the king is you. This is your time. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and prove them wrong.